Ever wondered what it actually looks like? Inside a blocked underground drain. We ran our HD CCTV camera almost 4 meters deep into this line to investigate why the system was backing up. Past 3.8 meters, look right here, the pipe is almost completely choked off by a massive buildup of grease, fat, and hard scale. This is why you should never pour fats, oils, or grease down the sink. It's time to bring out the high-pressure water jetters. After completing the CIPP patch repair, we ran a final CCTV inspection to verify the line. As you can see, the damaged section is completely restored and looks like a brand new pipe. This trenchless process eliminated the need for excavation, saving the customer thousands of pounds. To book your drainage inspection and save yourself from spending more, call PipeFlow Drainage Solutions today on 0800 002 5968.